Hi guys, my name is Tanasia. People also know me as T. I run Braidedbytee out of Los Angeles, California. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a bun with added braiding hair. I personally like to wet my hair down before I brush or comb it out. For this style, I'll be using Ampro Styling Gel. You can use whichever gel or product you feel is best for your texture. I like to use a good amount to make sure it looks and stays laid. Brush your hair towards the area where you would like your bun to sit. You can use a hair tie or a scrunchie to create a bun with your natural hair first. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it is best to make sure your natural bun is as small as possible. I'll be adding in Rasta free braiding hair. This brand is one of my favorites because the hair is always nice and just silky all the time. Separate the hair in two and create your twists. You can do a braid if you prefer as well. And then you just simply wrap it around. I always just freestyle it. If it falls down, it's totally fine. Don't give up. Just keep doing it until the bun is to your liking. To hold the bun up, you are going to add bobby pins to each side of the bun. I only use a few bobby pins in this video, but please feel free to use as many as you want to make sure your bun is secure. Now for these baby hairs, I could not get a good view of me doing them on camera, but I promise my next video will be showing you how to create these. Don't mind me in my little photo shoot, but I feel like this look is super bomb and easy to do, hopefully. You can literally rock this bun whenever, however, with whatever. No, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and feel free to comment below, especially if you have any questions. I am here to help.